This video shows you how to fill the ink tanks on your printer during initial printer setup. Before you begin, unpack your printer as shown on the Start Here sheet and place it on a level surface close to a power outlet. Also, be sure to review the notes, cautions, and warnings on the Start Here sheet. Open the ink tank cover. Note the color-coded stickers on the ink tank unit and open the ink tank cap for the black ink tank. Remove the black ink bottle from its packaging. Hold the bottle upright and slowly turn the bottle cap to remove it. Do not shake or squeeze the bottle. The top of each ink bottle is designed to fit into the ink tank slot of the same color. Position the top of the bottle along the slot and slowly stand the bottle up to insert it. Wait for the ink to fill the tank. Do not squeeze the bottle. Ink flows into the tank and stops automatically when the ink is just below the upper line. If ink does not flow from the bottle, lift and reinsert the bottle. When ink stops flowing, remove the bottle. Securely close it with the cap and set the bottle aside. You may need it later. Then, close the ink tank cap. Repeat this process for the other colors. When you are finished filling the ink tanks, close the ink tank cover. Connect the power cord. Then raise the control panel and turn on the printer. Select your language, country, time zone, date, and time. When you see this screen, press and hold the Help button for 5 seconds. When this screen appears, press the Start button to start charging the ink. Ink charging takes about 10 minutes. Do not unplug or turn off the printer, or open the inner cover while the ink is charging, or you'll waste ink. A message appears on the screen when ink charging is finished. Press OK to continue. Press OK to select Adjust, then follow the on-screen instructions to adjust the print quality. When you are finished adjusting the print quality, if any ink remains in the ink bottles, refill the ink tanks. Open the ink tank cover again. Use the remaining ink in the bottles to refill the tanks. Make sure you replace the bottle caps before disposing of the bottles. When you are finished refilling the ink tanks, close the ink tank caps and the ink tank cover. Press the left or right arrow button to highlight Maintenance, then press OK. Select Reset Ink Level and press OK. Press Start twice. Then use the control panel buttons to select the color for each tank that you refilled. Press Start to reset the ink levels and complete ink filling. When you see this screen, press OK. Follow the rest of the instructions on the Start Here sheet to continue setting up your printer. Occasionally check the ink levels as you use your printer. If the ink level in any tank is at or below the lowest mark, refill the tank. Do not let the ink levels reach the bottom of the tanks, or you may damage your printer.